With over 40,000 stock SKUs, Martin is even better at manufacturing parts customized to fit your specific needs. Martin stands apart from the competition by offering quick deliveries on made-to-order parts. Our in-house drafting department confirms the details of each part and creates a print for manufacturing. The Martin production team begins the order by selecting and preparing raw stock material, which is sized to meet the requirements of the order. Once the stock material is ready, the machining process begins. Raw components are machined per customer specifications and then refined through our deburring process. Custom bores and keyways are created. Then, set screws and other modifications are completed. The part is then etched with a custom part number and Martin logo. A multi-step custom coating process protects the part's finish. Upon completion, the part is packed for shipping. Martin made-to-order parts are the ones you rely on when quality and quick delivery are required. The Martin sales team is ready to help you with your specialty requirements today. Martin, the one you rely on.